See how you can turn your photo from this to this. Open the PSD file. Now select the layer titled Photo here. Right-click on it and then go to Edit Contents. You will be taken to a new window. Now drag and drop your image on the photo layer. Make sure the image is positioned appropriately with the marked lines. Now hit enter to fix the position of image. Go to File, click on Save and save this file. Go back to the original window. Customize the layers as per your requirements.